Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas Godzilla. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas Godzilla, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a little line that's just going to come down, and then we're going to come back here with like a curve, some sort of like a check mark. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to come up. Next, we're going to bring this line back, and then we're going to bring it down, and we'll add another line right here. Next, starting here, we're going to bring a line back to right about there. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to go out, and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back here. And I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Next, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then it's going to go up. Next, we're going to bring this up here. I'm going to add a little line underneath the eye with a little curved line here for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to add some teeth with a little line that comes down. And I'll add some more teeth too. Starting here, I'm going to add just a few little bumpy lines. And then right here, I'm going to add a few more for the top of the hat. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to curve back to a point. And then we're going to bring it down here. And we'll add a couple little bumps on here for the little ball of the hat. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And then I'm going to make a long line that's going to come up here, and then we're going to go up. Then starting here, I'm going to draw another line that's going to come up and connect. Then we want to add some little lines on here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. And then right here, we'll draw a little line that goes down. And then a line that's going to come out here. We'll make a line that's going to come down. We'll go out and then come up. Then we'll also make another little line across here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down. We're going to go up. And then we just want to connect this with a line here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up with a point, down and up, and then one more right here. Then we're going to make some little lines right across here. Right here, we'll make a line that goes down. We're going to go up and then bring it to here. And then once you're done with that, you want to add some little lines on here just to add some details onto his little sweater. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. We're going to make lines going to come down to a point and then over. Then I'm going to make another one right here, goes down to a point, and then it's going to come back and up. Then we're going to curve it here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to curve this around. It's going to come to a nice round point, and then we're going to bring this back down to here. And then right here we're going to add some little curved lines for the toes. Now starting here, I'm going to add another little curved line with another line that's going to come down to a point and back, and one more. And we're going to add some more little curves on here. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to go up. We're going to come over. We're going to come down, over, and then up like a little square shape. I'm going to make a line across. And then we want to make two lines that are going to come down. And we're going to continue them here. I'm going to put a little half circle on here. The little line's going to go up and down, and one more is going to go up and down with a little line inside of each one. I'm going to make another line right here for that other arm. I'm going to add a little line on here for a tag, and then we're going to put a rectangle shape on here. And then inside of here, I'm just going to write Kong. This looks like he's got a little gift for him. Now for the spikes. So I'm just going to draw some kind of pointed spike shapes on here. You can put like 3 or 4 points on each one. So we're just going to make these come all the way down. And we're going to get them a little bit smaller as they come down to the end of the tail. And right here we're going to draw a line that comes down the tail with a few little lines on here for some details. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Christmas Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.